Hey guys, welcome back to the channel IQ Mind Matrix. I have got a challenge for you today, and honestly, I'm really curious to see how many people can actually solve it. Take a look at the sequence 2, 12, 36, 80. There's only one number missing. What do you think it is? Drop your answer in the comments. Leave your guess first. Then let's see if you can actually figure it out. Alright, right now you're probably starting at those numbers trying to find a pattern. Some people immediately start adding, others try multiplying, and some just throw out random guess and hope for the best. But don't rush. Take another look. 2, 12, 36, 80. Let's slow down and look a little closer. There's definitely pattern here, but it's probably not the one you're looking for. Here's a small hint. Try thinking about how each number could be built, not where it goes next, how it's made. Still not seeing it? That's okay. Let's break it down. The first number, 2, can be written 2 times 1 squared. That equals 2. The second number, 12, can be written as 3 times 2 squared. The third number, 36, becomes 4 times 3 squared. And the fourth number, 80, can be written as 5 times 4 squared. Now the patterns start to reveal itself. Look at the numbers on the left. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Each one increases by 1. Now look at the squared numbers. 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, and 4 squared. Those increases by 1 as well. So, what comes next? At first, our hidden rule is number plus 1 times number squared. So, the next step would be 6 times 5 squared. That equals 150. The correct answer is 150. Now I'm curious, how many of you actually got 150 before the answer was revealed? If you got it right, drop a comment and say, I got it. And if you guessed something else, let me know what you got. Honestly, I'm always interested in seeing the different patterns people come up with. Thanks for hanging out with me. And now, let's move on to the next challenge. Bye.